In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Webull to the Webull Pay. First, open up your Webull app. You can launch the Webull app on your mobile device and then log in your account. After this, access transfer options. So just go to the account section by tapping on profile icon, and then you can also go to the account tab in app and then look for option related transfers. From there will be an option to transfer to Webull Pay. So simply select that transfer. This option might be labeled differently depending on your version of app. So look for anything related to the Webull Pay. After you open up that option, you need to enter the transfer amount. So simply specify the amount you want to transfer from your Webull brokerage account to Webull Pay. Once you have entered the amount, you have to review the details of your transfer, and once you have checked everything, you can click on confirm to confirm the transaction. Now all you have to do is just wait for processing. The funds should appear in your Webull Pay balance shortly. Processing time may be vary depending on the amount and the Webull's transfer policies. And if by any chance any of these Webull option is not available in your Webull app, that's mean you are not eligible for that option. But if you want to get that option, you can contact Webull customer support and then they will guide you. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.